The first batch of guest workers who have been continuing their stay in Kerala following the lockdown had started leaving for their homes from Aluva. A group of workers from Odisha has left by a special train. The need for social distancing meant that the special train, which has 24 compartments, carried only 1,140 passengers. Food and water enough for 2 days have been provided. Majority of the passengers were women and children. They had expressed their interest to go back to their homes by registering. They were sent off after carrying out medical checkups. The state government arranged food and other facilities for the passengers within hours of taking the decision. The train that started from Aluva will not have stops at other stations. Special trains will be leaving for other states too in the coming days.